And welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi main channel. We feature a variety of traffic encounters such as road rage, close calls, crashes, mirror smashes, bikers vs police and many more. This time we prepared a really cool episode in which we mix lots of crazy traffic encounters. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. With that out of the way, we can now focus on the episode. Make yourselves comfortable and enjoy. This biker got almost taken out by a crazy driver who wasn't paying attention at his mirrors at all. But it didn't end there.
Bă, băga mea și pula mă, ta, tu nu te uiți? Tu nu te uiți, mă, băga mea și pula mă, ta, că erai să dai peste mine. Tu nu te uiți, mă? Tu nu te uiți? Păi era să intri în mine, nebunule! Era să intri în mine! Bă, nebunule, nu mă înjura pe mine, că era să intri în mine, ai auzit? Bă, uite-te în pula mea pe unde mergi! Uite-te, dracu, că te-am pe cameră, futu-te în gură să te fut! Du-te în pula mea de idiot!
Look, you look. If I can see your face in your mirror, that means you saw me.
I didn't see you.
I saw your face. I saw your face.
Driver in this clip learned a lesson on speeding the hard way. Well, let's just say that it wasn't his lucky day.
No, don't do it! No, no.
You want me? You want me? Thank you.
In this clip, you will see a crazy cyclist. The biker nearly crashed with him just because he wasn't using a bike lane, which was right next to him. This cop was angry because previously some bikers were racing up and down the road. He thought that the bikers he pulled over were together with them. Straight off the bat he was angry, but the biker didn't keep quiet and he spoke his mind as well.
What's up?
Bikes all tonight racing around.
What are you talking about?
What's that?
What are you talking about?
Coming down? I hear bikes, man, ripping around all night. I'm cautioning right now, man. Pulling her down, guys.
We're not racing, we're literally two.
Okay. Your buddies aren't ripping around tonight?
What do you mean, my buddies?
There's bikes, man, up and down the road all night that are ripping around.
You saw them right now. They're just riding with us. You don't know them.
Don't know them?
No.
Don't know who they are? I'm telling you guys, enough, okay? Maybe you guys are doing good.
Okay.
100%. I respect that, buddy. I've lived on motorcycles my entire life.
Okay.
All right? But if you know these guys, please tell them to tone it down. All right? I know everybody's meeting up on Maribel. I know everybody's around. All these guys, man, tell them to please stop. Okay?
Yeah, but you guys gotta stop too, man. Like sometimes we're just cruising around. We're doing 90 in a 90 zone, and you guys come and harass us for no reason.
That's not me, man. All right? There's bikes though that are legit, like baseline 60.
Okay, fine, that's 60. But like we could legit be doing 60 in that zone. You guys would be posted in a spot, and you guys will pull out and just come check us out.
Okay.
But like, it's like, why are you guys harassing us? You know? Like we're
want to see you guys get hurt. That's the thing, man. You don't know how many people I've picked up off the road.
Yeah, but how are we gonna get hurt if we're doing the speed limit? You know what I'm talking about?
That's totally cool, buddy. And the majority of the time we all have radars, okay? So we pick up your speed, we actually know the speed, and we know the posted speed. I'm asking you, man, as a human to human,
yeah,
please tell your buddies to please tone it down.
Okay? Please, man, do me a favor. Guys, I love crotch rockets. I totally get it. They're great bikes, right? He's with you?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. But please, man, okay?
Yeah, we already know there's a right time and a right place for everything, you know?
Yeah, you know where the right place is a track, right? You want to race on a track, and it's not just you guys. Some car hit.
In the midst of arguing with the cop about dangerous bike riding, this happened.
Oh,
This crazy driver was like the drop that spilled the glass for this angry cop. As if he wasn't mad enough about the biker's dangerous riding, now we have a driver who does the same. The officer immediately rushed to his vehicle and he started to pursue the guy.
oh my God! Yo, that's crazy! He got the right car. Oh wow, he's getting arrested. Holy. Oh my God, what a.
The lady in this clip flew past the biker and later on she even almost hit him. To make things worse, at the next traffic lights she threw some harsh words at the biker because he was lane splitting. What she didn't know was that lane splitting was legal.
Pardon?
You always drive like
What? You said, yeah.
Sorry?
I heard what you said.
Okay. Not going to answer.
You are?
Not going to answer there. Do you think it's smart to go between two cars when you're on an island?
It's called filtering. It's in the highway code.
I know, but I'm just saying it's not very smart if you cause an accident.
It's in the highway code.
Okay. That's fine, well. Like that,
Well, what seemed like a usual vlogging day for this biker, it turned into something more than that. There was a piece of furniture laying in the middle of the road, and this cool biker went out of his way to help the ones who dropped it. Check it out.
Queremos! Falou, quer levar até lá? Vamos levar, pô. Vamos levar de lado assim, ó.
É, pode arrastar.
Deixa eu pôr minha moto mais pra frente. Tá preula, quase caí. Falou, mano. Tamo junto, mano. Vai com Deus aí. Vai com Deus também. É nóis, mano. Bom fim de ano aí. Obrigado. Tamo junto. Tchau, tchau. Valeu. Nossa, mano. Tem que tomar bastante cuidado.
Whoa! 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 Not cool, dude. Jesus.
During his ride, this biker unfortunately lost his battery cover. It was a good thing that he noticed it straight away. He turned back to pick it up, but hey, there always has to be this one driver.
Oh my God. Are you okay? What the f just happened, dude? What happened?
I'm good.
Are you sure you're alright?
I'm good. I'm good.
Come here.
I'm good though.
Alright.
I'm just pissed, bro.
God, bro.
Guys, we here now, man. We had an accident on the big 4. You see my she was fresh out the dealer. We had an accident, but it ain't about nothing. Happens. Some lady over there ran a light. You know what I'm saying? We fell, went down. You know what I'm saying? Whatever the case may be. We got the police. We ain't even got the police. We got Temple police right here. They grade trying to take my excuse my language, my bike. You know what I'm saying? Right? Y'all waiting for the tow truck, right? So they waiting for the tow truck and all that. So they finna take her, but you know, I'm gonna go right back and get her out. It ain't nothing. Nothing.
Listen, as long as you got the slip for it.
This bike brand new out the dealer. This bike ain't stolen. This ain't no street. This shit out the dealership. $8,000. So ain't no waste of money. This is what I love to do. You like to be a cop, right?
I mean, we have.
This what you? I'm saying this is what you like to do, right?
We have
Actually, I drive.
Were you riding the bike?
Huh?
Were you riding this bike?
No, I was.
You were? Okay. You have a license?
Yeah.
That's it. I don't got one. I got my
But yeah, I drive tractor trailers.
Listen.
No,
as long as you got paperwork.
I know, but you know, they like to be. I gotta do it back.
Just be careful in the street.
Paperwork and all that. Man, you can pick it up tomorrow. It's cool, guys. Things happen. Don't let this bring you down. Go right back and get. They want to be playing. Go right and get it.
This biker got pulled over for popping wheelies on the road. Here is how he handled the encounter with the police officer.
If you want to pull the keys out?
Yeah. For no comfort. Probably gonna be Indiana. You have your driver's license?
I don't have my phone or anything on me. I have a motorcycle license and everything. I have insurance, all that. It's all on my phone.
Do you have the registration for the vehicle?
I don't. If you have a phone, I can call my dad and tell him to pull it up. I have everything. I have everything for it. It's all good, I promise.
Is there a license plate on it?
I have a license plate. It fell off and I haven't got a chance to zip tie it on there, so.
Okay.
But the VIN number, everything's right here if you want to get that. Everything's good.
You didn't hear me when I turned my lights and sirens on back there?
I didn't hear anything until I was coming up to the cars right there. I can't hear you with the helmet on and over the bike and everything.
Okay, what's your first name? Last name? Birthday? And what's the address where you live right now? Is it registered to you?
Yeah, it's in my name and everything. The insurance, everything's in my name. I usually have it on my phone, but I didn't bring my backpack right now. It's just going around town, so that's why I didn't get a chance to bring it.
To make things even worse, the biker didn't have the registration nor the insurance with him. It was left behind at his house, but he was straight honest from the beginning. Remember, honesty can get you a long way.
And everything. I took the CHP safety course in Visalia.
They taught you to do that?
No.
Careful riding this thing. Don't be doing silly stuff with it.
I got you, man. I was telling her I just freaking installed this stupid handbrake, so I'm just out horsing around on it. I should have kept it in a freaking private lot or somewhere where it's safe, not on the freaking main roads.
Because then people are gonna call, you know. And I don't want to take a fatal. You know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. I got you guys.
I'm one of the motorcycle guys. I get it. They're fun.
Yeah.
You know, we all like to mess around. Like I said, do it. Private park lot, do whatever you want.
Yeah.
As long as you have permission.
Yeah.
But out on the streets, just obey the laws, please.
Gotcha.
All right, man. Be safe.
All right. I'll see you guys later. Do you need anything else, or?
Just make sure you get your license plate on.
All right.
Make it okay.
Gotcha. All right. Sorry about that. You guys have a great day.
In this video, we bring you just some moments of bikers flirting with girls. Stick till the end and watch how he handled with the ladies.
Hey, do you know how much it is?
Huh?
Do you know how much it is?
How much is what?
I got pulled over back there. They told me I had to pay a fine, so I stopped you, and I'm like, maybe I could.
Thank you. I
Alright, it's alright. I'm not trying to house you, I promise.
It's okay.
There you go.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Hey, excuse me. How you doing today, ma'am?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. I was wondering, do you have a map?
A map?
Yes, ma'am, because I just got lost in your eyes. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Do you have a Band-Aid? I scraped my knee falling for you. Hey, excuse me. Can I ask you a question? Did anybody tell you today that you're beautiful? Did anybody tell you today that you're beautiful? You're welcome. Hey, but I wasn't gonna tell you that. I was gonna say you're gorgeous. How you doing today, man? I'm good. I think I've seen a picture of you somewhere before. No? You sure? Oh, I thought it was in the dictionary next to fine as hell.
Yeah.
I'm just playing. Excuse me. I gotta ask you a question. Where you work at?
Where I work at?
Yeah.
Why?
I just want to know.
Why you want to know where I work at?
I mean,
Where you work at?
I'm a photographer.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I could picture me and you together.
Oh, you can picture us together?
Yeah.
I can picture us together.
Oh, for real? Hey, hold on. Let me get this on camera. Y'all know how I like to end my videos, man. It's your boy, Mr. Thow Wow.
This biker was speeding, and unfortunately for him, he ran into a cop who turned around and pulled him over. Props to the biker here for not trying to escape. Watch how their conversation went down and what happened to the biker in the end.
Oh no!
We just stopped your motorcycle today as you're going 47 miles an hour.
Oh man.
It's 30.
Yeah.
We're also in extra enforcement today because right around that corner back there last week somebody died on a motorcycle speeding.
Oh my god, are you kidding?
Nope, I'm not. That's why there's that cross there.
Yeah.
We're just reminding people to slow down, seeing why they're going so fast. Where are you headed to today?
I was just going to Prescott.
Okay, where are you coming from?
Hudson.
Hudson. Okay, is this your motorcycle?
It is, yeah.
Alright, do you have a driver's license?
Absolutely.
Check that out. Just not see the speed limits, or you just don't care?
I usually I go through there really slow because of the tar snakes.
Yeah.
I think I just wasn't probably
paying attention. These things are fast.
So my apologies, sir.
Hey, you're easy. All right, I'll get you going here in a second, Jeremy.
Sure.
You mean you don't have any driving violations, all right?
No, yeah.
But you drive through here enough. You know what the speed limit is, right?
Absolutely,
30,
yeah.
not
Yeah.
47.
No, I know.
So slow down, okay?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Thank you,
here
sir.
we go.
And with this cool police clip, we reach the end of another episode on my channel. Feel free to write us down in the comment section what your thoughts are on this episode. We really appreciate your opinion on this channel as we try to improve on every possible field. Until the next episode, guys, drive safe, ride safe, and always keep your eyes wide open.